Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and before anything else, if you're new here, please click that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So in this video, gagawa ako ng step-by-step tutorial kung paano gumawa ng DIY sanding bands. Wala akong masyadong nakikita na videos about this one, so naisipan ko na gawa nito for you guys na naubusan na ng sanding bands or sa mga gustong mag-DIY as an alternative. These are my sanding bands, used na siya lahat, di na niya masyado na-file ng maigi yung nails, so una naisipan ko na lang bumili, pero naisip ko rin why not make DIY sanding bands since meron akong extrang sandpaper from my DIY nail files. I've watched videos on YouTube kung paano gumawa ng DIY sanding bands in general, like hindi specifically for nail drills, so yun yung ginawa kong guide in making these. Yung materials na gagamitin natin ay, of course, sandpaper. Depende sa'yo kung anong grit yung gagamitin mo, pero sa akin, gagamitin ko yung natirang sandpaper from before, which is in the grit of 280 and 100. Gagamit din tayo ng stick. Ito yung magsisilbing parang mold, so kailangan ka-size ng stick yung mandrel bit na meron ka. Di ako makahanap ng exact size, so ito lang yung nahanap ko. We'll also need a glue, scissors, and some paper or any scratch paper. Para malaman kung tamang size ba yung stick na gagamitin natin, kuha ka lang ng sanding band na ginagamit mo before and place it on the stick kung saan siya secure and di mabilis matanggal. Sa mga walang sanding bands, you can size first the mandrel bit using rubber bands, then proceed with sizing it with a stick. Since di pantay yung stick na nahanap ko, yung bandang dulo lang yung gagamitin ko since dun mas secure yung sanding band. So, may make sure natin na magkakasya yung magagawa nating sanding band sa ating mandrel bit. First step is i-roll natin yung piece of paper sa stick, siguro mga 2 to 4 na ikot para di siya ganun kanipis, kasi ito yung magsisilbing base ng ating sanding band. After that, ididikit natin siya using a glue. You can use a piece of tape para i-hold yung paper in place. Set aside muna natin siya para mag-dry and mag-proceed muna tayo sa next step. I forgot to mention pero kakailanganin din natin ng ruler and cutter para pantay yung pagkakakat natin sa sandpaper. Magkakat lang tayo ng manipis pero mahabang strip na ididikit natin mamaya sa ginawa natin kanina. After mag-dry ng base, maglalagay tayo ng glue all over it and let it dry for a few seconds, and then ilalagay na natin yung strip ng sandpaper. Ipe-place natin siya diagonally until makover niya yung buong base. Make sure na walang gap sa pagdikit, kaya mas okay na gumamit ng cutter and ruler para pantay siya. Cut any excess if any and let it dry for a few minutes. Mas okay kung i-hold mo siya in place while it dries para ma-ensure na maayos yung pagkakadikit niya. So it's up to you guys kung ilan yung gusto nyong gawin. I'm gonna make 3 more para sa ibang grit ng sandpaper. Ito yung mga nagawa ko, so pwede na tayo mag-proceed sa last step, which is cutting it into small pieces. Gagamit lang ako ng gunting para makat siya, so i-cut muna natin yung dulong part and gagamitin ko yung stick para i-shape siya back into a round shape, and gagamitin ko naman yung sanding band as a guide para malaman yung tamang size. Pwede mo rin gamitin yung mandrel bit as a guide if you don't have sanding bands yet. So, ito lahat ng nagawa kong sanding bands. Let's try it out if gumagana ba siya. Kaya gamitin natin yung nail drill with a mandrel bit. As you can see, na-file niya ng maayos yung polygel nail just like a regular sanding band. And actually, marami ka na magagawang nail sets dito kasi for just one sanding band, matagal mo siyang pwedeng gamitin. Yung previous set ko ng sanding bands, ang dami kong nagawa doon na sets and marami rin akong na-remove na sets. So, with just a small piece of sandpaper, marami ka na magagawang sanding bands doon along with other materials na usually available sa ating household. Here, tinry ko naman yung 100 grit which is rougher and maayos rin yung pagkaka-file niya sa polygel nail. So I hope natulong ko kayo with this video on how to make your own sanding bands for you to make your own nails. So please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below suggestions on what I should do next. Also follow me on Instagram at @thehappyfingers, and if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.